What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, home of Nova Southern Experience. And I am here to present the line dance, Positive Energy. The song is Energy, and the choreography is Mrs. Epps, CL DJ Pleasure, and Mr. Miller. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographers, and also I'll pin my instructional at the end of this video. Here we go. Is that cute or what? Got that little vibe. Positive energy. Make sure you check out the choreography instructional and also the one that I post here. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.